this is my fourth video of Power Rangers. Okay, let's just jump right into it. This is the Pink Ranger. No head rotation. The flippers a little bit, and pretty much that's all. She's a brick. And this guy, not very much. You can move this, but that's most for transformation. That's most for transformation too. So is this. So is this. But, excuse me, it does that. That's not for transformation. And the mouth can open and close. Of course, now looks like now he's just yelling. And that's it for him. He's pretty much a brick too. And this guy, a brick. This does that. No. This, the rest moves. He's a brick. This guy, no leg movement. A little bit, mouth can open and close. He's a brick. This guy, mouth open and close. This has to lock in place. A little bit open and close, but it will still do that. That does that. That does that. And open the mouth. And now that's all. All that's up now is to combine them. To do that, we're going to do that and put the feet where they were. I don't think you know this. And they do that, and they do that, like that, like that. Do that, and he's done. Now we're going to take this guy, do that, do that, and whatever, do that, and I'll do that, and there's your foot. And I put it on this leg. There's one leg, and for this one, close his mouth, do that, to unrelease it, like this, but if you don't, breaking it. So now we're gonna actually do this, that, stop. There's your other foot. And now, if I can get this on here. Is this perfect? Okay, this is a perfect peanut show. That's better. It'll kind of lean sideways like that, but we have to leave like that. And this guy, do that, do that, do. Okay, now that's weird. That will click together. And using this mode, not very fun. It's just a little symbol. That guy will. That clips together, you will go there, and further. And last but not least, take the Pink Ranger, fold his arms in, do that, do that, do that, then do that, and put it on this arm. And now we're going to take this, take the disc, and take the handle and put it in the Pink Ranger hand. And there, who just farted? And the power sword goes in his hand just like this. And then you flip these things up like that. And why are you doing that so close? And put the, oh great. No, stay. Wowie. And there's your... It's too dark, Daddy. You can't see the colors. It's a rainbow. Bye-bye.